Hello everybody, Stuart Macadam here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to test Facebook ads. Now this is a frequently asked question and it's one that deserves a lot of attention, but before we get started on that today, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This will help me a lot with sharing more videos like this with a wider community and audience of people who are looking to get help with Facebook ads. So with that said, let's hop straight into it. Now, there are a lot of things that you can test on Facebook ads, and just to give a couple of examples here, you could test different audiences, you could go after different interest targeting, you could test different ad copy, different ad images, videos. The list of things just goes on and on and on. There's literally hundreds of different things you could test against each other. But the most important thing to get started with is deciding what you want to test the most. So in the example that we're using today, we'll test different audiences, and this will be for one of my past clients that I've worked with who works in selling online courses. So one of the targeting setups here is people that in Australia, 17 to 44 years old, they have an interest in firefighting, the people that maybe tradespeople, and in the second audience, it's going to be going after people who have visited this client's website in the last 180 days. They're also the similar age, they're also in Australia as well, and we're really just testing to see which audience is going to be more effective in generating conversions and sales, which is the most important thing for this business to keep going and keep sustaining itself. Now, ideal time for testing is 10 to 14 days. Look, if you're running on a tight budget, my recommendation would be to save up for a little bit longer and make sure you have enough budget to go for the full 10 to 14 days, because this is going to give you a great indication of how much use and how effective your testing is, and you'll be able to get some really good information on which audience type is more effective and which one's going to give you those results and get you those sales, so that you can push your business forward using Facebook ads. So make sure you've got 10 to 14 days. By the end of it, you should have a pretty clear winner. If it's neck and neck, have a look at the click-through rates, have a look at the cost per acquisition, cost per lead. That'll give you a pretty good idea as to who the winner is. There may be a bit of variation, but you probably will be able to find a winner pretty easily. So thanks very much for watching, everybody. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.